Here we got the seriously Dodo flight controller. There wasn't much room in this V5 Lowrider build, so I instead of adding the pins, I basically de-pinned the servo leads and just used the pins without the casing. X4R SB mounted with 2 layers of servo tape to make sure it does not ground out on the board. Or on the carbon frame, I should say. The camera mounts for this quad didn't quite work with this camera as well as it should have, or at least I believed it would. So I went with using the stock mount. Mounted my VTX underneath the top layer. Servo tape and a zip tie. And also used the naked pin method, as you see right there. Here it is all finished up. Now I'm still working on a few things. I have a light bar that I have here. Should work pretty good with these ready-made RC fire LEDs.